Look at the current state of AI red teaming, an endless, tangled web of probability. The industry is trapped in an infinite search space, swinging blindly with active testing, hoping to stumble upon a vulnerability. We call this computational infeasibility. You are given a strict time limit, 1,800 seconds. Traditional fuzzing is a race against the clock, and in this race, brute force always shatters under pressure. You don't have time to guess. To win, you must stop playing their game. You transition from probability to deterministic mathematics. Welcome to the three-step offline falsification. Phase 1 is the excitation. We don't spam the model. We send exactly one semantic prompt, observe the internal transition dynamics, and then we completely disconnect. The online game is over. We map the infinite search space into a finite geometric constraint, a simple linear equation, ax equals b. This isn't a prompt, it is a mathematical trap that isolates the exact policy-violating vector. And because it is pure algebra, we don't need million-dollar hardware. A legacy GPU running our solver outperforms a cluster of H100s performing stochastic searches. Over 1 million policies falsified in less than 0.1 seconds. Look at the metrics. Brute force takes half an hour and relies on luck. Algebraic falsification takes milliseconds and guarantees a deterministic outcome. It is goal agnostic. It is inevitable. We showed you the map, but without the architecture, you are still just guessing. Stop fuzzing. Start calculating. You've read the abstract. You've seen the ax equals b formulation. Yet, I know some of you are still sitting in your labs, burning expensive cloud credits, hoping your stochastic fuzzing will eventually get lucky. Let me make this painfully clear. Penetrating an AI guardrail is not about firing a machine gun into the dark. That is what you do when you lack architectural vision. It is resource-heavy, and frankly, it is brainless. The intelligent methodology is a closed-loop system. We fire a single calculated test prompt. We observe the internal transition dynamics. We mathematically analyze that output to compute the next optimal policy vector. Then, we refine and we test again. Fire, analyze, optimize, execute. Do we always shatter the guardrail on the absolute first attempt? Maybe not. But every single iteration is mathematically guided toward the exact vulnerability. We are not blindly shooting at the sky and hoping for a hit. It is a deterministic refinement loop. In basic engineering, we call this PDCA, plan, do, check, act. It is the most fundamental optimization cycle in existence, applied directly to latent space dynamics. While you are praying to a random number generator on a cluster of H100s, we are applying basic control theory on a 10-year-old GPU. It is such a profoundly simple, logical approach. I have to ask, why didn't you think of it? Stop guessing. Start calculating. See you on the leaderboard.